Welcome to Trussville, a charming community located just outside Birmingham, where small-town appeal meets modern living. Whether you're looking to buy a home, sell your current property, or invest in real estate, Trussville offers an exciting market filled with opportunities. Trussville's real estate market is vibrant and diverse, reflecting the unique character of this growing city. Known for its friendly neighborhoods, excellent schools, and convenient location, Trussville has become a sought-after destination for families, professionals, and retirees alike. But what makes the Trussville real estate market truly special? It's the sense of community, the scenic beauty, and the commitment to growth and development that are attracting more and more buyers every day. Right now, Trussville is experiencing a healthy mix of new developments and established neighborhoods. For those looking to buy a home, you'll find a variety of options, from cozy starter homes perfect for first-time buyers to luxurious estates with plenty of room to grow. The market is also showing a strong demand for single-family homes, reflecting the area's appeal to families seeking a safe and welcoming environment. For sellers, this demand means there are great opportunities to list your property and achieve a competitive sale price. Homes in Trussville are selling fast, and with the right strategy, you can maximize the return on your investment. This is where the LAS Companies team comes in. As experts in the Trussville market, we understand the nuances of pricing, staging, and marketing your home effectively to ensure it stands out in today's competitive market. Why should you consider buying a home in Trussville? There are many reasons. First, the sense of community here is unmatched. Trussville offers a rich mix of local amenities, from the popular Trussville Springs to the charming downtown area filled with local shops, dining, and entertainment. Not to mention the exceptional school system, which is one of the key factors drawing families to the area. Secondly, Trussville provides excellent value for your money. Compared to other markets, you'll find that Trussville offers affordable options with significant potential for growth. With ongoing investments in infrastructure, such as the new schools and community centers, the value of real estate in Trussville is poised to increase, making it a smart choice for both homeowners and investors. For those looking to sell their home, the LAS Companies team is here to make the process seamless and stress-free. Our approach is simple yet effective. We combine local market expertise with cutting-edge marketing strategies to ensure your home reaches the right buyers. From professional photography and virtual tours to targeted online advertising and open houses, we cover all the bases to attract the most qualified buyers to your property. And it's not just about finding a buyer. It's about finding the right buyer who will appreciate your home's unique features and make a competitive offer. With our team by your side, you can be confident that every detail is handled with care, transparency, and a commitment to achieving the desired outcome for you. Trussville also presents a wealth of opportunities for real estate investors. With steady population growth and a strong local economy, the city is ripe for investment in both residential and commercial properties. Whether you're looking to purchase a rental property, flip a home, or develop new housing, the potential for returns in Trussville is promising. Our team at LAS Companies is here to guide investors through the complexities of the market, providing insights and analysis to help you make informed decisions. We understand that investing in real estate is about more than just numbers. It's about understanding the local landscape, the people, and the future trends that will shape this community. So, whether you're looking to buy a home, sell a property, or explore investment opportunities, Trussville is a market that deserves your attention. And when it comes to navigating this market, you need a real estate partner who truly understands what makes Trussville unique. The LAS Companies team is proud to be that partner, offering you professional, caring, and transparent service every step of the way. Don't wait to make your real estate dreams a reality in Trussville. Reach out to us today at 205-994-7300 or visit us online at lasrealestate.com to learn more about how we can help you buy, sell, or invest in this thriving community. Let's make your next move the right move.